I asked Claude Code to build me a Pomodoro timer and it made this. You see how professional it was and it is looking amazing and very useful. So let me show you the prompt. Okay, let's begin. So first of all, I will open the terminal in my project that is currently empty, and now let's open the Claude Code. I'm currently using Opus 4.7 1 million context, and I have set the thinking effort to extra high. And now let's write the prompt. Build me a polished Pomodoro timer as a single HTML file, 25 plus minute cycles, show progress visually. So let's submit that and see how it goes. All right, so it has started to think and it has loaded a skill that I already had installed in my Claude Code, that is document dash skills frontend dash design, and this is the official skill from the Anthropic official marketplace. So let's give it some time and see what happens. Okay, so it has created the index.html file and it has automatically opened the application in the browser, and you see it is looking really professional. And if you look at the Claude Code, you will notice that it is opening the application in the browser and it is using the Chrome DevTools. This is the MCP server that I already have installed to make the Chrome DevTool accessible to this Claude Code. You see that it is now making use of that MCP to test in the browser in different screen resolutions to make sure that it is fully responsive and everything is working as expected. So once it is satisfied, it will give you the summary that what it has developed, and now we can test it. You see we have two tabs here, work, break, and I really like this theme. I didn't tell anything about the design. It automatically decided what to make and how should the design look like. It actually, I think this is because of this front-end design skill, that's why it is so beautiful. So I will also highly recommend you to use this skill. Now it's time to test it. So we have these three buttons here, play, refresh, and done. So let's try it. All right, so I have clicked on the start button and the timer is started, and you see on this circle area, so you can see watch that progress in the real time. And we have 4 sessions here, and after every session this little dot will be filled automatically with the orange color, I guess. And you can anytime pause it, you can play it, or you can click on the button. It will skip the session and take you to the break mode, and let's start the break mode and see how it looks like. So this is also same feature, but one thing that I really love, that is look at this progress bar on the top as well. So we already have this progress bar that is circular, but there is an additional progress bar on the top that making this application more live. So this is awesome. You can refresh it, you can start it again, you can just click on this button, it will skip that mode and take you back to the work mode like it did earlier, and you can play it again. So this is really useful. And again, for the work mode, you can see the progress bar on the top as well in the orange color. And obviously you can have further conversation with your Claude Code, and you can add as many features as you want. Like maybe you want to add some sound effects and sound notifications, so that whenever the timer is up, it will simply play the notification or an alarm, so that you can know that time is up and you can switch to the break. All right, so you see that I just gave it one single prompt and it made us this working timer. That is really helpful. You can actually use this for yourself. So I already have provided the repository in the description, so you can get the code and use it. It is just a single index.html file, so you don't need to build it or anything else. You can just double click it and open it in your browser and you can start using it. So that's all. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you think so, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos, and like and share this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next Claude Code video.